I know there is a variety of opinion, however, on almost all questions, and if there be any of my readers who doubt the benefit to be derived from such a study as I have referred to, and if they assert that, in their opinion, it would be a waste of time as well as money to procure such books, I ask them, for their own sake and for that of other people in their position, who may look at the matter from their own view, to weigh the following points as carefully and as soon as they can, full stop. How often do we come across such phrases as toad eater, salted accounts, etc., and thou their meaning, from their position in the sentence, may be pretty clear, should we not have some difficulty in saying how they came to have their present signification, ? Have we not all occasionally read some phrase, or heard some allusion which we did not understand, and have we not sometimes lost the beauty of passage through our want of knowledge? ? I think there will be few who will dissent from this, full stop, close.